Good morning to all. Today we will learn about numerical of chemical kinetics. From the exercise, first question here from the rate expression for the following reaction, determine their order of reaction and dimension of the rate constant. So in given expression, in given equation, you have to find the order of reaction. Order of reaction and rate constant. So to understand the rate of order of reaction, you take this example A and B and check convert into product. So for this A is a stoichiometric coefficient of A and B is the stoichiometric coefficient of B. And if rate according to rate law, rate expression is given K, concentration of A to the power X and concentration of B to the power pi. These are rate expression of this equation. X, y may be equal to A and B or maybe not. For this, then you have to find the order of reaction, for this equation by adding the exponent of the concentration x plus y. These are the order of reaction. So here you see that for this equation rate expression is given, rate equal to K into concentration of nitric oxide to the power 2. So here you see that exponent of nitric concentration of nitric oxide is equal to 2. So this is order of reaction for this equation. Order of reaction for this equation will be 2. Here is only one exponent power. And its rate constant K will be rate divided by concentration to the power n. So here rate equal to K into concentration of nitric oxide to the power 2, then its dimension of rate constant K equal to rate divided by nitric concentration. And here rate of the reaction. These are the rate of reaction and its concentration is mole per liter per second. mole per liter per second. Change in concentration per second is called rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. The mole per liter. And rate will be concentration by time. So mole per liter divided by per second. Then mole divided by second, mole per liter per second. Here nitric concentration of nitric oxide and concentration unit is mole per liter to the power square. Then this is cancelled by here. Then per second divided by mole per liter, and then you inverse of this, then mole per mole, mole inverse liter second inverse. These are the unit dimension of this given equation.